All right. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day so far, whatever time you're watching this. Um, Again, we're going to go over how to add products to our Facebook business page. And the reason this is very important because it eliminates the hassle of, say they see your product in a Facebook group or on your Facebook business page. They don't necessarily need to click on your link or figure out where your link is at. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the shortcut here. So say they see a product on your page, right? And so this would be the example here. Okay, we have the image, but it doesn't just have the image. It has a click to view product button that allows the person to click on it and see the specs. Okay, so it says, okay, the details are here. It's $45.50. I can check out. Okay, so without them going to your actual website, they can actually check out on Facebook, and they'll take them directly to the link. Okay, so we'll go ahead and check out, and this is what I mean. So it will drop them directly to the link where the product is on your website, so they won't have to hassle with going to your website. And this is a quicker way to close out a sale online. Okay, eliminating the hassle for a consumer is always the best. Now on the bottom, we could also tell that the details are on the bottom, and I know I mentioned that earlier, or say that the consumer doesn't have the money now but wants to come back to it, they could save this item into their wish list. Okay, and also your link will be down here if they want to check out their link, the whole website itself. That's fine too without clicking on here. Now that's just the start of this. Okay. All right, so we went ahead and went over why it's important to add this product catalog to our Facebook business page. Okay, so here I'm going to go ahead and click View Shop. And aside from this backpack, I have all types of products already in here. Okay, so here's my Facebook business shop. All right, so I have a few of my products on here, and like I said, all this really does is allows us to close out a sale a lot faster. Say your consumers may not be so savvy tech or whatever the case may be. Okay, this allows this process to be a little bit easier, and also gives us some results in regards to Facebook sales in general. Okay, so now what we're going to do is go ahead and go to how we set this up. All right. So we all have a Facebook business page. We're going to go ahead and go to our pages, and we're going to click on the page that we manage, which would be your business page. All right. And on the left side here, we're going to have a tab that says the business app store, or excuse me, manage shop. We first go to manage shop, and then you'll have let me go ahead and actually do it with the Mac of Sales one. Doesn't have a actual shop yet. Okay, so we'll click Manage Shop, and it's going to say Start Shop Setup. All right, and what this allows us to do is go through this process step by step on setting up our shop. All right, check out on another website. So what I want to do is set up my shop where it's redirected to my website, or they can check out on Facebook if you like. Check out with messaging. It really depends what your business is based. Most of us watching this is we all have an online store. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and check out on another website. Cool. So the business name would be Mac of Sales, or excuse me, business email would be all right. Whoops, I think I still got that wrong. Excuse me. The catalog's going to be top promo bundles for your brand. Okay. And I'm going to name that's going to be the catalog name. Now the checkout method, I set all these things up. Okay. Checkout method, business name, email, catalog. And we're going to go ahead and submit. We reviewed these settings, and now we'll be able to start implementing some of these products. Give customers a way to view your shop. Change now, you can change the button to, yeah. So we'll go ahead and change that now. View your shop. And I am going to go ahead and start adding products. Okay. So this is our landing page to add products. I'm guessing it's going to take me to my Facebook business hub. All right. And back here, I'm going to go ahead and add my products manually. Okay. So if you didn't see me do that, we're going to come into items. This is our main screen. We're going to come into items and add items. Okay. We're going to add manually. Okay. And what I'm going to do is in here, I'm going to add, let's see, what do I have for macro sales? Okay. Well, I'll go ahead and just add gosh, sorry guys. And I had to end up using a different computer this morning, so none of my files are in here. Okay, we'll say that you are the client that has the backpack. We have our product list in here, and we're going to go ahead and use our backpack because this is the product that we want to sell. By now, we should have all of the products that we want to use into this catalog already downloaded. Okay, so make sure that you go to Printful and download those items. Okay, download the JPEGs of those items. And I'm going to go ahead and name this. Another thing to keep in mind is to have your website open. Okay, because as we're implementing these products, we're going to copy and paste the details. So this one doesn't have a detail, but I'm going to go ahead and get the header. Let's come in here. Okay. And it would be okay. The website, we come in here, back to the website. We're going to go ahead and copy that link. Come back to our Facebook page. Go ahead and drag this forward. And then we're going to paste our link. Okay. Product price is $44.50. Condition is new. Brand is Nail Cartel. Okay. And so if your brand is BPOG, or if your brand is BB, or if it's Risky Business or Drip Set or Hustle Hub, whatever that is, we're going to go ahead and place that here. Cartel. Okay. Content ID, you do not need that unless we're going to have a variety of the same product. Okay. So we would ID each product. And so now we want to make it visible. Once we click next, I'll go ahead and do that. The product will be uploaded. All right. So I don't want to necessarily do that now because this is not my product. Okay. But those are the simple steps of how to add your products to your catalog. All right. Once these products are uploaded, then we would have our store here that would say some products, one product, and you can go ahead and check out your shop. All right. I hope this was a little bit useful. I know it was a quick rundown, but remember, you can always write down any questions or comments below. I will get back to them as soon as possible. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Make the best out of it. If you guys have any real questions, that need to be answered right now, call me. Okay, I'm always available for that. 916-513-3782. Mac of Sales V with Hustle Hub. Thank you guys. Have a great day.